Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a cute rainbow. All right, let's get started. Let's start with our clouds. Now I'm going to start at the bottom of my paper on the left side, and we're going to draw little U shapes, all connected to each other. And connect them. Now I'm going to jump over here to the right side, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to try to make the clouds the same size. So we're going to draw little U shapes going around in a big circle. And they don't have to be perfect because they're clouds. All right, that looks good. Next, I'm going to draw my rainbow. Now I'm going to start with the outside part of the rainbow, and we're going to draw a big arch that goes around like this and connects to this other side. So I'm going to start here on the left side of our cloud. We're going to draw a big arch that goes up and around and connects to the outside of this cloud. All right, now I'm going to go on the inside, and we're going to draw that same arch again. And it's going to be underneath that first line that we did. And the tricky part with this is trying to keep the same distance all the way across. All right, now we're going to draw another arch, starting on the left side. All right, let's keep going. So I'm going to make my rainbow have 6 arches, and right now I have 3. So 1, 2, 3. So I need to draw 3 more. All right, now last one. All right, that looks great. So now you can leave your rainbow as it is, or if you want, I'm going to add some cute little faces on my clouds. All right, so I'm going to draw some eyes, and they are going to be 2 little U shapes. And then I'm going to add some eyelashes. And then for the mouth, I'm going to do a straight line across and a U shape underneath. And you can draw a little curved line for a tongue. And I think I'm going to give my cloud little dimples. I love it. All right, and I'm going to do the same thing on this other cloud. So we're going to draw 2 U shapes for eyes. Little lines for eyelashes. And right under the eyes, we're going to draw a line going straight across for the mouth. And then a U shape underneath. Curve line for the tongue. And then 2 circles for cheeks, little rosy cheeks. That looks adorable. All right, I think we're ready to color. Our rainbow looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.